Ever heard of a bank that lets you send and receive money just like an email? Sounds too good to be true, right? A seamless bridge between the traditional banking world and the fast-paced, decentralized universe of cryptocurrency. Well, that's exactly the kind of innovation that captivated a team of visionaries in a small Berlin office. But before we get to who they are, let's set the scene. Imagine a time when Bitcoin was still largely a niche interest, a playground for tech enthusiasts and early adopters. The idea of using it for everyday transactions was a distant dream, hampered by complex exchanges and the friction of converting crypto back into fiat currency. You had to navigate clunky interfaces, long transfer times, and often exorbitant fees. The user experience was, to put it mildly, a pain. This was the problem crying out for a solution. The world needed a bridge, a platform that could merge the best of both worlds, the security and familiarity of a bank account with the freedom and innovation of cryptocurrency. And so, in this fertile ground of technological frustration and untapped potential, a company began to take shape. It wasn't a giant corporation or a well-funded startup from Silicon Valley. It was the brainchild of three individuals who saw a simpler, more integrated future. Their goal was audacious: to build a bank account that was natively integrated with Bitcoin. A place where you could manage your traditional euros or dollars right alongside your Bitcoin, all from a single app. No more juggling multiple platforms, no more cumbersome conversions. The three co-founders, each bringing a unique set of skills to the table, were Jorg von Minkwitz, Ben Jones, and Christoph Iwanis. Jorg, with his background in business and finance, understood the regulatory landscape and the need for a compliant, trustworthy service. Ben, a tech guru, was the architect of the platform, envisioning the seamless user experience and the underlying technology. And Christoph, with his expertise in marketing and operations, was crucial in bringing their vision to the masses, communicating the revolutionary concept in a way that resonated with a broader audience. Together, they founded what was then known as Bitwala, a name that perfectly encapsulated their mission: Bit for Bitcoin and Walla from the German word for voila, a term of surprise and discovery. They weren't just building a product, they were building a revelation. Their journey was filled with challenges, from navigating strict financial regulations to building a secure and reliable platform from the ground up. But their persistence paid off. Bitwala became one of the first platforms in Europe to offer a fully regulated bank account with an integrated Bitcoin wallet. It was a game changer, simplifying the lives of crypto users and bringing the promise of a decentralized future one step closer to reality. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.